Hey, what's up, my people? It is Nick here with some raw day trading, and today the stock market and myself got a reprieve. I did not expect my income to be so correlated to the overall market. It's and it's just correlated in a way where when there's a lot of volatility, it kind of attracts traders elsewhere. Or if, for example, there's stuff going on like the Tesla trade, where there's a lot of money just flowing into Tesla to buy the dip, it tends to mute the ability of people to trade small caps just because they have less cash in there. And then it makes the action a little bit different. Plus, short sellers emboldened because of market directionality. Long traders a little bit more timid on top of all that. And so whenever the market is strong up or strong down, I tend to have issues trading small caps, which tend to be a backwater of the stock market. It's not, and sometimes when there's a lot of action going on in the main stocks with a lot of percentage moves, it attracts all the fishies away. So it just is what it is. Today I did not have the camera turned on in the morning. I got here PSTV at 10:15, and I started recording, and that's actually when I started to lose money. But all that aside, I'm up about $555 today after fees and all that fun stuff, which was about $30 of fees. I sized down here, so all these like late morning trades were a little bit lighter. At one point, I was up above 600, but then back down. There was great move here on MLGO pre-market. MLGO was our, kind of the chainsaw stock China name. This one, Ray, I don't know the exact sector it was in, but it was moving around pretty volatile for a $2 stock. And it was loose. It was loose and tricky. And so I just kept it sized down to 1,500 shares. Just to give you an idea of like when I feel comfortable on a stock, PSTV, I felt pretty comfortable. I was trading 5K shares at the kind of most aggressive, and then most confident. I sized down at this point. But all that to say is I made all the money on PSTV and then a little bit on OM something D. That was the other gapper today. Ray, I was about flat, down $16, and then it just kept kind of like doing this thing. It looked tricky. I didn't trust it, and no, I don't want that. I just pulled the video that I'm recording right now. It was weird. I want this one. I don't even know if I have anything good. Yeah, I don't think I have any. I don't have any good trades. I have me losing on. Okay, PSTV. I'm taking a dip here. It goes a little bit further than I expect, or I stop out maybe a little bit too soon. Oh, and then I buy the uptick right there, and then that was a mistake. Not only do I buy the uptick, I double click on it, and so I'm in with meaningful size. Yeah, so that was a mistake. Learn from it. Don't do it. Don't buy that uptick. There were sellers stacked on this, and the volume was really low, so I was like, this definitely has potential for a flip. But I was just a little bit too late in that trade. I almost lost a couple $100 on that, which would have been annoying, but okay, because I was already up 6 on it. So all that to say, I'm humbly grateful to be back to a sense of normalcy and predictability in the market action, because the last week and a half really has been just a meat grinder. for me personally, and I think a lot of people too. So hopefully it stays this way. If not, I'll have to adapt and trade a little bit more defensively, which is okay. Um, it's actually funny. Like defensively, sometimes is offense, like in just front side offense, and then backing off and not taking the curls, which I tend to take the curls, and that's just what I like to do because it's more controllable in a sense sort of way where I can read the actions because it's slower. But that's all. I'm going to cut the video here, go get some lunch, and then go work out. But great talking to you. Bon voyage, and I'll catch you again tomorrow. Goodbye.